time it is? It's time for the nyamins. Let's get into the recipe. So okay family, let's make this delicious recipe. Here I have some liver here which is already washed with vinegar, wash and clean. Yes guys, make sure you wash your liver properly. Liver is raw. Yes, and here I have a piece that I've left behind to show you how to clean your liver. Oftentimes the liver have a piece of thin layer outside. You need to remove that. Alright, so you just hold one end and you just pull it. Sometimes it removes easily, sometimes it's hard. And also sometimes you can find this piece inside this thin layer. Sometimes you find it inside of the liver itself, not only at the end. So what you need to do, you need to just pare that. Yes, and sometimes you also have some white pieces. You need to cut that away. That looks a little fatty. Yes. I'm just going to show you here of how I cut my liver pieces. Almost like a square shape and very thin. Alright, like that. And guys, it's also important to remove the excess water after washing your liver. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and season our liver. Here I have some powdered season. I have some all-purpose here. I have some paprika. Here I have some garlic powder. And there I have some onion powder and some black pepper. The proportion of what I'm using will be in the description below. How do you get in the description below? Click on the title of the video and it brings you to the description. Next, we want to go in with our browning for color, but if you don't have browning, you can use soya sauce, just a little bit, just like that. Over here, we have some chopped onions, bell peppers, fresh thyme, thinly sliced carrots, and some pimentos. Normally, I like to use hot pepper, like scotch bonnet pepper in my liver, but I'm not using any because the kids are going to take part in this meal. So we're just rubbing in our seasoning now, and feel free to use a gloves. And you don't have to let your liver sit for a while. You can go ahead and cook your liver right away because liver absorbs seasoning very quickly. So here I have my pot with some oil which is hot. So I've poured my liver in. So at this point we're not gonna add any water. We're just gonna stir the liver and let it sit there for about 5 minutes and then we'll check back. So it's about 5 minutes. Look at our liver. No water added, but it's bringing its own water. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with our ground seasoning. I forgot to mention that I have some minced garlic here. I don't cook without garlic because garlic has so much flavor and so much health benefits as well. And what I also want to mention is that make sure that your carrots are thinly sliced because liver don't take long to cook. 20-25 minutes and your liver should be ready. So you want to make sure that everything is cooked at once. Okay? So what we're going to do now, we're just going to change from high heat to medium and we're just going to cover our liver and let it stay there for about 5 to 7 minutes. No water added. Yes, and then we move on to our next step. So it's about 7 minutes. Let's check on our liver. Wow, looking lovely, smelling flavorful. Guys, I know a lot of people don't like liver, but if liver is cooked well, it is very tasty. Wow, lovely. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some hot water to our liver to make some gravy. All right, you never want to add cold water to your liver. It will be rubbery. Yes, and we're not looking for that. We're looking for a soft and tender liver, something that we can enjoy. And at this point, you can also add some more browning if you like to have your liver with a darker color. I'm not adding any more because as it cooks down, it will get a little bit more darker. And you can also taste to see if it need any more seasoning. Alright, so I've tasted and I've realized that I could go in with some more all-purpose. You realize I don't add any salt because the seasons that I'm using has enough salt. So next I want to go in with some ketchup, like a tablespoon. Oh, I think I went in with too much, but that's okay. So I'm just going to mix in that ketchup and then we're going to cover our liver and let it stay there and simmer for about 10 minutes and then it should be ready. Guys, it's about time. It's a total of 25 minutes and our liver is ready. Isn't that lovely? It's not only looking lovely, but this is tasty, delicious. Normally in Jamaica, we have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, served with dumplings and green bananas and sometimes rice. But my girlfriend is here and she chose rice, so rice is what we're gonna have. So I'm just gonna plate up some of this deliciousness and then I'll be back. So there we have it, guys. Our liver is nicely plated. Enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, share and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.